As you do your practical work for the SDAM module, there are going to be plenty of times when you get a bit stuck or you're not sure how to do something. This is perfectly normal, and your approach to this should be first to try to work it out on your own, going back to the lecture notes. And if you're not able to work it out within, say, 15 minutes, then you need to consult with your SDAM tutor. You have several ways in which you can do this. The first and most important way is to attend the practical session and ask your tutor your question. You'll have 2 hours each week with the other members of your practical group. You also have available the additional drop-in session that everybody can go to, where all the tutors are present. In addition to that, if you go onto Blackboard into the staff contact section, you'll find the details for contacting each member of staff. You'll also notice that we all have a drop-in session, so you can go to those drop-in sessions at the times specified to consult with your tutor. You don't need an appointment for that. It's a fixed weekly session. And if you still need help after doing all of that, then please feel free to email for an appointment.